How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new eBay feature for USPS QR code shipping. We're going to go step by step and kind of explain what it's all about. So if you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. And let's get into the video. So this program's particularly targeting sellers that don't have a printer at home. If you didn't have a printer before, you'd have to go to the post office, wait in line, write the address out, buy your postage from the counter for retail prices, or buy it from the little self-serve area at the front of the post office if they have that option. Not all post offices have those. This new feature allows you to purchase the shipping at home, get your package ready to go, and then download a little QR code on your phone, bring it to the post office, show it to them. They will then scan it, print the label out, stick it on your package, and it'll be off and ready to go. Unfortunately, you still have to stand in line at the post office, but you're getting these commercial rates rather than paying retail, so you are saving a little bit of money. I think it's really good for new sellers, especially if you don't have a printer, but if you're getting into eBay with any type of seriousness, you should consider getting a printer so you can print your shipping off at home and save yourself a trip to the post office a lot of times, or at least waiting in line, if not anything. This is only available for USPS at the time. eBay is going to expand it for FedEx and UPS, so when you're shipping bigger items, you'll be able to do the same thing, get the commercial UPS, commercial FedEx rates that eBay gets. Package your item at home, download that QR code on your phone, bring it into those offices. With all that information to start off with, let's actually get into the meat of the video. I'm gonna show you guys how to change the settings with this method. Okay, so here we are on eBay. I'm going to go to my order. For this particular order, we're going to be using carrier packaging. I'm gonna be using a padded envelope for USPS. If you're using a custom size, you could do that. You got to type in your weight and your dimensions. If you're using a carrier package, you're going to hit that drop down and pick your carrier package. Here's your extra options: signature confirmation, extra coverage, if you want a message, all that. For your label, you're going to have to do this on a computer. So this is if you're going to print the label off at home, but we're going to go to the post office. So we're going to hit QR code, and then we're going to go down here and go to purchase and print label. It says that the QR code was generated. I could download it here, or I can go to my email. So I'm gonna go to my email on my phone, and then you should have a QR code right here. You can do a screenshot of this, or you could just hit download QR code, hit open, and it'll give you that QR code to bring to the post office and in order to allow them to scan it. So I didn't show this in the screen share, but there is a little thing to click on that lets you know where your scan locations are, so where your post office are that have this technology in order to scan that barcode and print that label, and that's where we're on our way to right now. I'm hoping to be able to do it from the kiosk, the little like self-ship thing at the entrance of my post office, but I don't know if it's gonna allow me to do that or if I have to stand in line and actually get a clerk to scan it. Hopefully I'll be able to just scan it at that little self-serve machine and save some time. So I just got to the post office. I wanted to show you that I did write the little code on here. I only have one package, but if you had multiple ones, you'd want to write the code just in case when you scan them, you don't get them mixed up. That's the last thing you want, is somebody getting the wrong package. It's just a headache to have to like get them to swap it, return it, whatever. Here is this machine. Let's see if we can get this to work. There's like a little scan thing down here. Let's see. No? I gotta turn this on. Other services. Scan, there we go. Oh, come on. Up and coming. So maybe not yet, maybe in the future that'll be working. So you just scan it, and then it prints out a label, and then we'll stick the label on here. And she's gonna stick that on there. Yeah, cover that. Okay, cool, awesome. That's it. Thank you very much. So that was that. I think they're gonna have it in the future to where they allow you to do it at the labeling machine, but it's just not available yet. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. If you have any questions about the video, put them in the comment section, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.